Hi my beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy for those who don't know me, and today we're actually going to be doing something so different. We're going to be doing a 3 series wet Solotica color contacts. These are the 2026 underrated Solotica Hidrocor colors. Close up on a dark brown eye, so make sure if you guys are thinking about purchasing these color contacts on the new elite of 2026, then keep on watching. I have all of the color contacts lenses. Oh my gosh, Liz, I can't wait. They're brand new. They wanted to update you guys on these lenses that a lot of people don't know about, and they are underrated. The detailed, by the way, I'm opening this up this way. First color contact, it is called Safira. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But this one, it's like the beautiful tone of blue. So definitely it is towards a Barbie doll blue color contact, which just fits so nicely onto fair skin tones. I feel like on me it kind of looks okay-ish, but I would prefer, I feel like this color contact looks really beautiful. It looks stunning. The colors, if you're looking for a blue vibrant color contact, this one is definitely it. And I love how it does not have no limbo ring. If you know Solotica brands, whenever they say Hidrocor, it's because they do not have no limbo ring at all. Aquamarine, you guys can tell like the difference of the aquamarine, but such a really beautiful color tone, and I love the detail that it has. It's so super faded in, naturally gorgeous, super stunning. Definitely a beautiful color contact that has contrast of blue and then green into it, which is so stunning. Hydrocor Graffiti, oh my goodness, you guys, this is super stunning. It is like the perfect gray tone onto a dark brown eye. Oh my goodness, my makeup is running because I'm switching up the color contacts. But this, oh my goodness, graffiti, like, it became so popular in one time, and I understand the assignment that I actually gave to a darkened eye. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Tell me your thoughts of what you guys are thinking about these, if you want to call updated color contacts from Solotica. But this is the 2026. Oh my goodness. I don't remember ever reviewing this color contact, but it reminds me so much of the color contact that I tried before from Solotica, which is the kombucha green. Oh my gosh, that's my absolutely favorite color contact, especially a green color. But this one, it is called Copacabana, and it's like this really beautiful pixie green color contact. Oh my goodness, definitely on the brightness of the green, it is bright. It's showing up really bright on the camera here with my vanity. But let me show you guys also on the side. I'm going to be including like the natural sunlight color contact of how it looks. But this is how it looks like on my vanity side. You can tell how it shows up, the color and everything. It is on the zoom in. Can you guys tell like the detail that it actually has? Oh my goodness. Let me know if you guys have tried or heard of this color contact, because I feel like it's super underrated, and not even myself did I know that this color, the name, even existed. But it is like the most, you know what? It reminds me of Mel. It reminds me so much of Mel, so I need to be doing a comparison between both of these. Here it is called Topazio, the Hidrocor Topazio. So I feel like for this one, you guys, my skin, since I have really dark hair, dark eyebrows, dark brown eyes, super dark, I feel like this one for sure looks so much like a neon green, like blue green like a lime green, I would say. Blue lime green, and this is how Topazio looks of this year, 2026. I feel like Topazio would definitely look so stunning on people with fair skin tone or even with color eyes. This is how it looks on the Zuma. I would have wished this color would have been less neon onto my eyes, but this is how it looks, and I totally get that Solotica makes these contacts for every type of skin tone. Because fair skin tone, I feel like these will just look so pretty on you, but this for Topazio looks on me as in 2026. Comments down below, I'll be answering anything that you guys would like to. And also don't forget, we're doing a series, so I'm going to be trying you guys that color contacts as in 2026. Thinking about purchasing any of these color contacts, don't forget to use my discount code, which will be Nancy. So it would be so exciting if you're speculating or thinking or have seen other influencers talk about these lenses within different kind of skin tones than mine. Comment here and I can update you guys with how Solotica lenses look on a dark brown eye. And also this is as 2026 updated version. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're brand new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the little bell so you guys can get notified every single time I upload, and I'll see you guys within my next video. Bye.